Welcome to Addere Creations, where we take your innovative ideas into reality through our product design services. I am Vishnu, working as Mechanical Design Officer at Addere Creations. Let me walk you through the steps we take to bring your vision to life. First, we start with ideation and concept development. This is where your ideas take shape. We work closely with you to brainstorm and sketch initial concepts, ensuring we capture your vision and requirements. Next, we move to detailed design and CAD modeling. Using latest CAD software, we transform those initial sketches into precise digital models. This step involves attention to detail to ensure the design is both innovative and functional. Then we conduct simulation and analysis. Our team performs various simulations to test the design's performance, durability, and manufacturability. This helps identify and resolve potential issues early in the process. Finally, we handle design for manufacturing. We refine the design to ensure it's ready for production, focusing on cost efficiency and manufacturability without compromising quality. At Addere Creations, we take pride in our ability to guide you through every step of the product design's process. Our expertise in CAD services ensures your product is designed with precision and innovations. Ready to bring your ideas to life? Partner with us at Addere Creations.